If you've ever wondered how JPMorgan Chase deploys software, manages risk, and processes trades at scale, the answer is Athena. Athena is an internal platform powering risk management, pricing, trade workflows, and deployment across JPMC's corporate and investment bank. It supports machine learning hedging, quantitative models, and daily trading flows, processing billions of calculations per day, running 10,000+ batch jobs weekly, and supporting 50,000+ compute grid workers. On Reddit, one insider called it the best CI/CD I've ever used despite its quirks. Another post highlighted its 35 million lines of Python code, noting it's one of the world's largest internal Python repositories. Developers and traders alike use Athena, from code integration and deployments to risk calculation and model execution. It's a unified ecosystem tailored to financial workflows. Unlike Jenkins, which excels at generic automation and extensibility, Athena was custom-built for cross-asset trade processing, regulatory controls, and auditability in a banking context. For example, Jenkins pipelines often require manually managing plugins, infrastructure nodes, and basic CI/CD tasks. In contrast, Athena's scheduler dynamically prioritizes 10,000+ risk jobs per day, executes them on AWS native architectures, and delivers traceability for audit and compliance workflows. Features include OS-based elastic compute using EC2 and EKS clusters, adaptive task scheduling with cost-aware parallelism and GPU/CPU grids, full traceability for regulatory and audit requirements, built-in machine learning inference, ETL, and quant model integration. While Athena isn't open source or available outside JPMC, it's a practical example of what enterprise-scale CI/CD and operational automation look like when tightly integrated with financial systems. Jenkins is ideal for general-purpose application teams. Athena is purpose-built for high-throughput, low-latency financial delivery at scale. In summary, Athena powers everything from risk jobs and trading systems to deployment pipelines. Within JPMC's markets tech, it's optimized for scale, regulatory requirements, and real-time risk management. Jenkins remains better for standard CI/CD outside of financial engineering domains. Athena showcases how custom platforms can outperform generic tools in highly specialized, regulated environments. Let us know in the comments if you've worked with internal platforms like Athena. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on enterprise tech and DevOps at scale.